So hi guys, we have some sword from SM, and here's how to open it. First you go find the switch. Now you go switch it and down. And if you press this long button, long press it, it will lights. So here's how to open it. First you hold it like this and this and this. Now you do it like this. You press this blue button and it will come out automatic. And there's also some smoke coming on it. If you put some water in here, there. If you put some water in there, see it? And if you press this too, it will change color, purple. And if you sweep, it will, hmm? Here. See? Here it. And there's some red coming up there. Coming up. Look. See? See? You see it? And if you back it, the smoke will come automatically. I'm not pressing that button, okay? I'm just holding this. Look. The smoke is coming. And if you hear that switch, that's mean and close. And you just need to press that. And this and long button too. Long press. Please like and subscribe.